Hello, croeso i'r Venter, welcome to the venture. Bore da, good morning. This stuttering feed is really bugging me. I don't know if you lot are noticing, but it's really driving me up the wall. So I'm going to get onto Facebook again today, so hopefully me just getting on and on at them will get them to sort it out. But bore da, good morning. Jodie Humphreys, hello Jodie, how are you? Although I'm sure I've just seen you. You join me here in the nature area of the venture. I'm going to start in this parkour free running part just to show you what's changed or what's been annihilated. A lot of this stuff is in the same place. I forgot to tell you yesterday, the hole that was dug a while ago has been filled with this stump, so I'm not sure what that's for, whether it's like a launching pad, but a few things have changed in here. The chair that was at the top here, that's been moved and it's been thrown down there. And also the bar that was across this tree as a bit of a balance beam has gone, and that's been thrown over on the ground over here. It's not stuttering. Are you sure, Jodie? Like, if I move this cup, it's like, do you know what I mean? It's not smooth. It just, yeah, it's weird. It does my head in. Anyway, carry on. So I think that parkour free running area's been dismantled a little bit. Not sure if that's not gone used for the last couple of days. This bike track has got some fresh tyre marks on it, so this is still being used, which is great, and evidence up there on the ramp as well. Vanessa Roberts, Borita, good morning Vanessa Roberts, how are you? Thank you for joining in, thanks for commenting. I'm going to go, something that I spotted the other day and I forgot to put on the video, up in the top. Oh, squirrel, 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 turn around, come on. You see the squirrel? Hello. Oh, he's got a nut as well in his mouth. I think, like Thackeray Binks, the squirrels are getting used to me being here, and they're not too fussed anymore when I walk past, which is great. Perhaps in a couple of months I'll be like Snow White and I'll just be able to whistle and they'll come down from the trees. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, up in the top corner here, which often gets forgotten about because nothing really goes on here. I've got what looks like the beginnings of a den, so I'm going to switch this around and show you. We've got these crates, so there's one of these supermarket crates there, the little red box that was getting used over at the Pulley and the Americans to help people get up, and this blue plastic pallet, and some tarpaulin. So these elements all seem to have come together to create some sort of den, which is brilliant, because this part of the venture is often forgotten. This pond here that's been sort of overgrown, it's just up from the big tree house and it's tucked away right in the corner. But it's great to see that it's getting used. So I will keep you posted on what's happening here. Very exciting. What's this? Louise Haggerty, morning. Where's your friend the Robin? I haven't seen him yet. He's usually about though. So I shall keep an eye out for him and let you know if I see him. I'll swing the camera around as quick as I can. Just to switch around so you can have a look at the playground. There's the slides just by the Americans. As you can see, it's absolutely lovely today. Nice sunshiny weather. We'll head over to the sand pit, which from my quick look hasn't really changed that much. So we've got this row of tyres here. Those wood beams are still in the same place. The slide is still there. Liam Kavanagh, afternoon. Sean, you alright? Afternoon. I've been saying Borida, Liam. I'm wrong, aren't I? It's gone 12, so Pnawnda. Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining in. One point here, there was a rope here yesterday, and the only reason I know this was because I was here to witness it, but that was quite a popular piece of equipment yesterday. It was getting used to drag people round. It was also used as a tug-of-war. And only when I asked if we got any more did I realise that it's actually quite a rare commodity here. So it's something that perhaps if you've got rope lying around that you're not using, by all means please bring it down, because it will get use of here. Another thing from yesterday, which you may have seen, is we've got some new bins. If I switch this round, new recycling bins for your plastic, Cans, aerosols, tins, paper, cardboard, and glass bottles and jars. There. There's also some over there as well by the building. What's this? Jodie Humphries, tell people about the proposed lantern parade in memory of Coco. Ask what they think. The 6th of December. So yeah, okay, there you go, Jodie. I couldn't have put it better myself. Jodie's come up with a great idea that on the anniversary of the sad passing of Coco, Darren Roberts, Venture stalwart, we'd like to do something to mark the occasion. And Jodie came up with a really good idea that sort of blends in with everything that we do at the Venture. One of the big events of the Venture is the birthday party on the 31st of July. And before that we go on a tour around Spring Lodge with the minibus, with banners saying happy birthday, inviting people to come to the birthday party. Well, this year we thought we might try something different and have a light parade. So have the children and young people make some lanterns, you know, perhaps get those LED candles to go inside, and do a parade around Spring Lodge in memory of Coco, in memory of Darren Roberts. So yeah, let us know what you think, and what you think we should do, how you'd like to get involved. I'm just going to switch this round. Can you see this lorry coming down? I'm going to show you now. We're having some hardcore ground put in preparation for the community bonfire, which I can see the word bonfire. Liam Kavanagh, what's the plan for bonfire night, Sean? R.I.P. Coco. So, the plan is, it will be on the 6th of November, which is the Monday night. And for that we are having our usual thing of fairground rides, food stalls. Tesco Extra Wrexham are giving us lots of food and hopefully some volunteers as well. That was all planned by Ali Roberts. That'll be happening all on Monday the 6th. I'm just here now to show you what's happened. So I'll switch this round so you can have a better look. So all of this is new hardcore that's going down at the entrance to the Dunks field where the bonfire will be. That's all getting laid out. And what that means is, unlike the sort of bark chippings that we've put down in the past, this will be a little bit more permanent and hopefully won't churn up the grass. I'm not sure what the plan is after the bonfire. I can't imagine that they're doing all this work to dig it back up, but that's as it stands at the moment. So yeah, that's Monday, November the 6th, starting at 6. We're lighting the fire at 6:30, and the fireworks will be some point after that. Jodie Humphries, Coco the legend indeed. Yeah, he's quite made his mark on the Venture, and we don't want his memory to fade. So 6th of December we're planning a light parade. If you've got any ideas and if you'd like to contribute, let us know. But I think that's probably about the state of play here at the moment, down on the Dunks and at the Venture in Kaya Park, Wrexham. Diolch am gwylio. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Jodie Humphries, Vanessa Roberts, Louise Haggerty and Liam Kavanagh for joining in. It's very much appreciated and makes all the difference. Jodie Humphries, you're a legend too, Sean. Oh, diolch Jodie. Jodie Cheryl, the Cheryl Cole of Kaya Park, I call her. Do you not think? I think there's a resemblance there. Anyway, there you go, Jodie. I've shared that with all of Facebook for you. So, diolch am gwylio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ta rwan.